Hello, and thank you for watching. Today I'm going to be going over these Riton Conquer scopes. I am doing an unboxing and a quick details overview of them. I'll be leaving links down in the description for the latest deals and coupons for Riton. So if you're interested in one of these scopes, be sure to check out the description and get a discount for yourself. So that way you don't go away empty-handed. Anyways, the one on the left is the one Conquer. It's a 6 to 24 by 50. The one on the right is a number 5 Conqueror. It's a 5 to 25 by 56. Now, as you can see, they're both first focal plane, both MOA. The 5 is illuminated and comes with the BAS reticle, which a lot of you are probably familiar with. The 1 comes with the MPSR reticle. I'm new to this reticle. I'm pretty excited to use it. In fact, I'm a lot more excited about that one than the BAS, just because it's something new, and I've heard some great things about the reticle. As you may or may not know, the One Conquer is a entry-level scope priced around $300, and it might be even cheaper. I'll have to check the link down below. And the number 5 is more their intermediary scope. It's around $1,000, I think. At the time of this video, it was around $950 or even lower. Both of them look like great prices for the quality of scope here. And now I'm going to move on to the unboxing. On the outside, you can see they're slightly different. The one, it comes with a plain matte black box here. When we open it up, very, very elegant looking box. Scope is housed nicely between two opposing layers of what appears to be EVA foam. And then down in the bottom, you have all of your paraphernalia, which would be your stickers, your lens cloths, your looks like a few your turret locks and everything else. So over here on the number 5, this is a slightly nicer box. If you can see, there is a glossy overlay that looks like a topographic map there, and it just turned out beautifully. You open this box, we're greeted with a beautiful desert scene. And inside, very similarly, you have the scope placed between two opposing layers of EVA foam, and then all of your accessories down in the bottom there. So stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to be going over installation and practical review of these scopes here in the coming months. Don't want to miss that. Be sure you subscribe so you don't miss that, and check out the links in the description. So thank you very much for watching. Have a wonderful day.